Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with a focused image and the Google reverse search interface. Open Images. Google.com or Google Lens. Once there, click the camera icon or drag the file. If you only have a URL, paste it into the upload field and submit. Make sure to crop out irrelevant borders so Google analyzes the core subject. This reduces false matches and speeds results. While the upload processes, note whether you need exact matches, similar images, or visual details like landmarks or logos. Once results appear, scan both the image matches and pages that include the photo. This shows context and source. Use tools to filter by size for higher resolution originals, by color to match palettes, or by time range to find when it first appeared. Toggle usage rights when you need licensable images. If Google Lens suggests object labels or extracted text, follow those leads to refine queries. Make iterative searches. Crop differently or try a screenshot of a distinct. You finish by validating the strongest candidate. Open the hosting pages, read surrounding context, and inspect image file names or captions for dates and credit. If available, check EXIF data using a metadata viewer to confirm origin. If matches are weak, reattempt with a higher resolution file, different crop, or add concise keywords describing the subject. If Google blocks or returns no results, use private browsing, change IP with a VPN, or try alternative reverse image tools. One simple change often solves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.